Let's get your Xfinity remote working with your TV. This process programs your remote to control your TV's power, volume, and input. Note, Rogers does not officially produce or support Xfinity branded remotes, as these are proprietary to Comcast. For the purposes of this video, we will focus on Xfinity remotes. First, ensure your Xfinity box is on and connected to your TV via HDMI. Place the remote within 6 to 12 inches of the Xfinity box. We'll be wirelessly programming the remote, so no cables are needed for this process. First, press the Setup button on your remote until the LED blinks. Then enter the 5-digit code for your TV brand. You can find this code on Xfinity's website or app, or by searching online. Examples include 111423 for Samsung or 111758 for LG. Once entered, test the power, volume, and input buttons. If they work, great. If not, try again with a different code for your TV brand. The Xfinity app, version 5.0+, also allows pairing via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, useful if you have trouble with the standard method. Approximately 70% of Xfinity subscribers use the latest remote models, making it a straightforward process for most users. Having trouble with your Xfinity remote? Common issues include incorrect codes, weak batteries, or interference from fluorescent lights. Try resetting the remote by holding the Setup button for 5 seconds and repeating the pairing process. Advanced remotes like the XR16 and XR20 support Bluetooth Low Energy for faster pairing, with backlit buttons and voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant. Use voice commands like Alexa, turn on TV for hands-free control. Some remotes support HDMI CEC for automatic control, and RF extenders can bypass line-of-sight issues for wall-mounted TVs. Xfinity's app updates improve auto-pairing reliability, with 85% of pairing issues resolved via auto-detection features. Expert opinions indicate that Xfinity's shift to BLE is revolutionizing remote reliability, with analysts predicting that future remotes will prioritize intuitive AI over buttons.